Use the link plate to connect the lead-in to the BEP-R. Press the BEP-R and the lead-in against the sidewall of the power turn. Place shims between the conveyor belt and the BEP-R to ensure the BEP-R is installed at the proper height above the belt. Clamp or hold the BEP-R in place against the sidewall of the conveyor. Mark 2 mounting hole locations on the lead-in. It is recommended to use the top 2 mounting holes to prevent drilling into the conveyor drive system. Mark the desired mounting point locations along the V-groove of the BEP-R. It is recommended to use 1 fastener every 12 inches or less. Drill out the lead-in mounting holes with the lead-in in place, or remove the lead-in and drill the marked mounting points. Drill out the mounting holes for the BEP-R. This can be done with the BEP-R still in place, or by transferring the mounting points onto the conveyor structure. Reattach the lead-in to the BEP-R and fasten it to the conveyor structure using the included hardware. Fasten the BEP-R to the conveyor structure using the included hardware. Remove clamps and shims, clear away any metal shavings, and confirm the height and angle of the BEP-R are correct.